Hello guys, welcome to our Azure Learning YouTube channel. So in this video, we are literally going to see about how to use Azure Monitor for performance and in health insights. Okay, so I literally plan to make it a series. So welcome to the part one. Let's dive into the setup. Okay, so to configure this Azure monitoring, we should have a log analytics workspace in a Azure environment. So first, let me log into the portal. Yeah, I just logged in. Okay, so we are in the console. See, I already have a VM. So I'm just going to monitor the performance for this VM. So for that, I'm just going to configure the log analytics workspace. Log analytics workspace creation is not a big deal. You can create it easily. Just go to the create icon and you need to tell the resource group. This is my DR region. Okay, so I'm not going to create this under DR region. So I'm just going to keep this in my RG. And I just plan to create this under east to us, okay, which can be east to us, and I'm just giving a name for this RG, sorry, log analytics 1. Okay, so log analytics 1. Analytics 1. Okay, so just go to tags and then you can create it. Generally, if you are creating a log analytics workspace, this would take some time to reflect in the backend infra. Okay, so if you wanted to integrate with your Azure VM, this would take some time. Okay, so we need to wait for it. This log analytics workspace would reflect some time. Sorry, would reflect, um you know I think just before we initiated, right? Okay, probably we need to wait for a few minutes. Okay, so meantime, we can go inside of this VM. Inside the VM, you need to add the extension. Okay, MMS, Microsoft, sorry, MMA. Okay, Microsoft monitoring agent you need to configure here. Okay, you can also configure that by manually, or else we can also do in the workspace itself. Okay, but now I'm just going to configure that extension in log analytics workspace itself. Hmm? And see here, I'm having additional extensions. This is for disaster recovery, so don't confuse with this. This is the different case. Hmm? Okay, so now let me go to the workspace. Still the, yeah, so workspace got created. Hmm, it's loading. We'll wait for it. Generally, if you are opening this log analytics workspace related stuff, means this would take more time to load. Okay, yeah, now it comes. So now I'm just going to monitor the resource. Okay, here many monitoring stuffs are there, like virtual machine deprecated, and all things are done. See, it's showing like not connected. Still, this log analytics workspace doesn't have a relation with this VM. So if I'm going to connect it, then that MMS would install automatically there. Okay, Microsoft monitoring agent would install there, MMA. Yeah, so just before I have exposed the connectivity. Okay, so the connection is going on. Okay, so this might take some time. So meanwhile, we can configure the storage account. Why we should have the storage account? See, just go instead of VM, sorry, in a log analytics workspace. In this agent, you can find some rules. Okay. Um, sorry, not here. Linked storage accounts. Okay. So far, I don't have. Okay. See, these are the storage accounts which is available. So see here, they are asking to connect it. Custom logs, IAS logs. So what I'll do, I'm just going to connect. See here, we need to provide the name, storage account name. But so to keep the custom logs and then IAS logs and then saved queries or saved log or alert queries, I don't have a storage account so far. So that I'm just going to create the storage account now. So let's create on new storage account. Okay, this is the cache disk. This one I cannot use for this purpose. Okay, that cache disk is literally for site recovery. Okay, disaster recovery. So that I'm just going to create a new storage account. I'm just giving it like new storage Azure Learning. Okay, so this is going to be the name, and this is going to present on east to us. And I'm just taking the LRS. Okay, local redundancy is fine. So now I'm just creating. Okay, it's validating the properties in the advanced. Okay, so all looks great. So now we can initiate the storage account creation. Mhm. Okay, so here we have exposed the connectivity with that VM, and here we creating the storage accounts to keep all the logs and the insights. So just go to the VM, just go to the extension, and there we can find the application insights. Okay, it's loading. Okay, so this extension page is loading. Okay, so that VM got connected. Okay, so here we getting it like VM got connected, and then our storage account also got created. So let's go to the log analytics workspace. Actually, this page is loading, so we can check in the log analytics workspace. Just go to the agents. Sorry, not agents. Virtual machines. See here that is linked to this workspace. Okay. See, if you wanted to disconnect here itself, you have that option. You can do it. And I just wanted to keep all the information with the storage accounts. See, I'm just going to keep all the custom log and then IAS logs. So just go here in this my RG. Just before we created one storage account, right? That would reflect over here. Okay, sorry, that I created under the don't delete Prakash. Okay, okay. So what we can do is we can change the resource group in the log analytics workspace. Where is the storage account page? Yeah. See, just go here, and here we can change to the don't delete Prakash. So here that storage account would come over. So now we can save this. Now all the custom logs and everything would reflect over to this storage account. Okay. So in addition to that, many things are there to discuss. Those things we'll discuss in the part 2 part. Okay. So thank you everyone. And then don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.